What's going on, everybody? My name is Andrew Bond, and today I'm excited to bring you a first look at Ebonite's all-new ball, the Impact. I was fortunate enough to be sent this ball by my good friends over at bowlersdeals.com, and they wanted to just have me take it out of the box, take it to the lanes, see what my initial reaction was, and share that with all of you guys so you could have a realistic expectation if you're in the market to purchase a new ball, what you could expect from this one. Now, just a disclaimer, I actually didn't do any type of research whatsoever on this ball in particular. I kind of just wanted to go out there, get a feel for it myself, not have any preconceived notions, no influence whatsoever by anybody, and just kind of see what the ball does and let the ball tell the story. So I kind of want to walk you through what happened on the lanes earlier today. My first shot of the day, I kind of stood my feet over at the 25 board. I laid the ball down around 15 and I pushed it out to about 8 at the tracer board. And as you can see, it came in really light. On my second ball, I kind of adjusted, moved right. My feet ended up right around the 21 board. I laid the ball down around the 13 board, and then the ball ended up pushing out around the tracer right on the 10 board. And as you can see, it came in high and it left the 4-9. So after seeing my first two shots, I kind of had a better idea of what I wanted to do here. I kept my feet the same at the 21 board. I laid the ball down around 14, and then I actually took a little bit of a deeper angle and projected out to about the 12 board right at the hook point at the tracer board, and the ball did come in high flush. So I wanted to see if I can get a little bit more shape in my fourth throw. So what I did is I moved my feet over about 5 boards to the left, stood right on 25. I released the ball right on the 16 board, and then I went ahead and projected the ball out right to the 10 board, which is kind of the sweet spot in terms of hooking at this particular house. And again, I got a really great result in a strike. So one thing I noticed, just like on this shot in particular, I get a little bit fast. I threw the ball around 17 to 18 miles per hour on this particular shot, which is at least 1 mile an hour faster than I normally would roll it, which ends up resulting in a 10 pin. And I noticed that this ball, when projected a little bit too far to the right, or when I pick my speed up, it just doesn't have that extra kick to recover and carry through the pocket to eliminate that 10 pin. Now this next shot, I kind of wanted to go a little more down and in, pick my ball speed up, try to just keep that ball really direct and see how it hits when it hits high flush. And as you can see, it's a beautiful result, a really nice strike. So on this shot in particular, my hand gets a little bit firm in my grip, and then I elevated my ball speed a tiny bit, and as a result, the ball came in a little bit flat, just didn't have enough kick to eliminate that 10 pin. So on these next couple shots, I go again high and in, a lot straighter of a line, and because the ball doesn't have that extra kick, I'm not really too concerned with leaving the 4-9 or a different variation of a split, because as you can see, it just kind of sits there when it hits the pocket, and it will drive those pins straight back if you miss high. So what I really like about the Impact in particular is that it's a ball that you know what you're getting out of it. When you let go of that ball, it's very, very predictable. It's not going to do too much side-to-side motion on you. That being said, it's going to be really, really great for newer bowlers who aren't trying to get their ball to do crazy things, or on the flip side for serious tournament bowlers, because if you get on a shorter pattern, maybe like the Wolf pattern, maybe the US Open, a flat pattern that's really, really difficult, you really need the control, you really don't need all that side-to-side movement, or maybe just league bowlers in game 3 and it's just the lanes have really broken down, maybe you're playing on a shorter type of house shot and you need a more predictable, controllable ball. This is going to be it. This is a really, really good one to have in your arsenal. I'm really personally excited to have it in my arsenal because I really don't have anything like this currently. So I feel like I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this, because more often than not, I find myself thinking, man, my ball's overhooking, or this equipment's way too strong, it's coming up too early, I can't project my ball out far enough. And when you have to start forcing it and really trying to get it to hit that spot, that's when you're gonna make mistakes. That's when you're gonna get firm, fast. That's when you're gonna try to hook too much, and you just can't shoot comfortably. So to have a ball like this, to be able to just roll it comfortably when those lanes do break down or when you're on a very tough shot, this is gonna be a really, really great ball to have. And if you guys are interested in picking up the Ebonite Impact, go ahead and go over to bowlersdeals.com. They're really knowledgeable, really professional, and they really do give great deals I've been going to them for a few years now, and they've always done right by me. They always drill my equipment to perfection, and they always give me the best recommendations based on my game. So if you're looking to get a little bit of insight, a little bit of knowledge, and a great deal, check out bowlersdeals.com.